Okay, anybody online? This webinar will be recorded. I have done currency based analysis, both silver and gold. And on this very weekly analysis, I will be showing you cryptos, the ones I monitor, what to expect next, and how to handle your trades. To the best of my knowledge, I've also added some indices for those who trade them. Okay, so without wasting time, let us begin with crypto. The chief of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. Okay, so in as much that Bitcoin is driven, crypto is driven by fundamentals. Technical analysis is technical knowledge is highly needed and highly important. You see, for a long time, I said that Bitcoin is now on its way to 100. Let me show you weekly. Okay, this is my forecast for Bitcoin, 111,000. But don't think it will go there next tomorrow or next week. No, it will take time. Okay, just to show you the knowledge of technicals. Now, so now, now this is daily chart, and I think on Thursday, when I was making analysis, I plotted this out. The Bitcoin will that will 5, or let me show you 4 hours chart. It will see more data. I show you that a reversal zone, that Bitcoin is at a reversal zone, that it may not exceed this level. And it turned exactly at this level. Is now making correction. Now, what do we expect in this corrective move? Since we have had a 5 waves move, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We expect Bitcoin to at least retrace 50 to 61.8 of the entire zone. So let me. What's happening with my chart? Just that. Okay. So let me show you what I mean by that. From this low, from this low to this high, we expect I expect it to drop to this level, 53,000 to 49,900 and something. This is a standard level of correction. So if you see Bitcoin coming down to this level, don't be surprised. Then this is another level we expect correction. At least Bitcoin is coming down to 56,000. The lowest the lowest expected zone for correction is 38.2 Fibo level, which is 56,419. But in my own opinion, Bitcoin will enter this zone, 53,175 to 49,991. This is how technicals work. Okay, so if you are buying Bitcoin, be patient. Let it at least drop to 56,000 price zone. Let it drop to 54 to 56,000 zone before you buy, because it will likely come to this level. This dropping, you can see it is sharp. Or let me show you 1 hour. You can see the dropping is sharp, and it is making 5 waves. Now let me tell you something about 5 waves. This is, let me label it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And whenever a wave is 5, we label it as air. Okay, so now, having said this, what next do we expect? Let me remove this. What do we expect? We expect this to happen. If the wave B, we make normal correction. For wave B, the normal level for wave B correction is here. Let me show you. The normal level for wave B correction is this level. Then the deeper level will give us a move towards this level. Whether it came to this level or not, this will happen. This will happen. It either happen from here or from here. But as for this level, it will happen. That is how technical analysis look at. And most of the time, the market follows the technical move. You know, if not for the noise of the technical analysis, how do I know that it will turn at this level? You can see turn exactly at this level and begin to go down. So watch out for this little pullback to this level or a deeper one to this level. Then a bigger drop before the buying will start again. Then one thing again you will know, that's what we call double zigzag. Double zigzag is a type of move which after the first zigzag, another one will happen, which means if it will do double zigzag, it means this is a zigzag, this move, this move, this move is a zigzag. Then if it will do double zigzag, it will do something like this. Piam, 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 and repeat this very move again towards the lower side of it. That's double zigzag. And if it will do double zigzag, then it will go deeper than where we expected. Okay, for now, let's watch out for the first zigzag to complete. All right, so that's all I have on Bitcoin. Then the next is Ethereum Bitcoin. This one is for those who trade margin trade. Maybe you trade it as a sport, or what do you call it? I don't trade this crypto as a margin because my broker, the spread is too high, so I thought about it. I only trade crypto as an investment. So you can see again the level we target it will turn. This is the least level and this is the higher level. It tried to correct the higher, but remains only some few moves to get to the higher. But now it is coming down. I mean, Ethereum USD. Ethereum USD will also give us a zigzag move. Okay, so watch out for something similar from what you saw on Bitcoin. Will also happen here, something similar. So expect some more drop, okay, before we begin to buy again. So let me measure it so that I'll be more precise. Between here and here, okay, oh, even offhand, I could get it. So expect a drop towards this level. Expect a drop towards this level. towards between 3,510 to 3,714. Expect a drop towards this level before a major buying continues. The buy that will give us another all-time high. The next is, this is what I wanted to do before, but I made a mistake. This is for those who are trading margin. If you're trading BTC as a margin, prepare for buy. Prepare for buy. Once the channel is broken, you buy. Okay, now see again how wonderful it's good to have the technical knowledge about the move. Okay, here is our reversal zone. I pointed this zone out when the price was here. You can see it came to the zone again, went up, and this is a good buy opportunity. It dropped again, and it's now buying again. So once we break this level, it begin to go higher. This is just for those who trade as a margin, so not for everybody. The next will be Ripple. I like Ripple a lot, but Ripple is not doing well now. But there's nothing to worry. Some coins will lag, and when they will peak, they will do marvelously. So, oh my God. So someday Ripple will surely move. Now let's see 4 hours to know what we are trying to get. Okay, so this is what we expect in Ripple. Let me just show you what we expect. I mean, this is the worst we expect. I mean, the worst. Nevertheless, every correction is three. Every correction is ABC, and the ABC have completed. But because there's no strength, it may do this. It may do this. Even if it does that, it is still within the reversal zone. After that, it will move. Oh. You may get this. So, but it's not a must. Since we have gotten to the reversal zone, we may get a straight a move that will break this and continue to go up. Why I'm showing you these two options, so that when it begins to happen, you don't panic. Maybe you think the Ripple is going to zero and say you are calling. No. I remembered how I was shouting when Bitcoin was at 32, 31, 30,000 level. I was shouting, don't say you are calling, don't say you are calling. Some are saying that it is going to 12,000, 10,000. I told them it will never get there. What happened today? It didn't go below that 30,000 area. So I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. If that's what I'm saying, go and watch my old videos. You will find out that almost what I said in the market, at least 90% of them happened. How else do you know an expert? So if this happens, don't be surprised if it happens. But if not, we get this, a break of this channel, and the price will continue going up. BNB, my lovely BNB. Okay, BNB, let me see daily chart. BNB is doing fine. It's doing fine. Okay, now I've seen what I want to see. We are heading to wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me go back to 4 hours. The 4 hours chart, one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. Maybe something like this. We may get something like this before going to the 5th wave. We may get a move like this. You may get a move like this, just a little drop from here to this level, then to this level. So the next expected level for BNB is between 522, 540, 550 area is where we expect BNB to land before we get a bigger correction. Now, this is a minor correction. That's something like this. It's what's happening now. Then when it comes to this level, we may get a bigger correction. That may see it coming back to 420 or even 400 before the big move again happens. Market doesn't move in a straight line, never. Market doesn't move in a straight line. It will always go like a shiko. Crab. It's what how you move like crab. Sideways, sideways. You think it's going straight, it goes sideways. But if you have the knowledge, you will know what will happen next. So that's why we are special in this field. Technicals are the special. We can predict the market before the news comes out. You guys believe in news. But before the news comes out, we know it will happen. Okay, Litecoin. Litecoin, you can see now, I didn't do this today. Litecoin also came to our reversal zone and is now making a reversal. So this is how powerful the technical analysis can be. Okay, the 4th wave is going deeper than we expected, but it may not go up below the current level. I don't expect that coin to go lower than the current level. Okay, so then the next will be the 5th wave, which is up here. So Litecoin going deeper, I think it will not, but this wave is sharp enough to be the correction it will make. So the buying will continue. If not next week, maybe next week, the buying will continue. Dogecoin. Doji, let me see daily candle again on Doji. On Doji, I am expecting 5 waves to move, but it's been so slow. Let me go to 4 hours. It's been so slow, but surely it will happen. You know, this is wave 1, and wave 2. Wave 2 can be silly. Let me use the word silly. Wave 2 can be silly. It can frustrate you, take a lot of time. Then if you are not patient, you will see it going when you have given up. That's something I want to show. That's why I put up this line chart. Okay. That's something I want to show you. That's why I'm putting the line chart. And that is this. We may have this. Sorry. We may have a triangle. That is a sorry. You may have a triangle. That is A, B, C. Oh, this is what I mean. You may have a triangle. So you may have a triangle on doji before the big move starts. Okay, so let me go back to candle chart. So ABC, the ED can happen, then the big move will start. Doji will make a big move when it left this zone. It's being delayed in this zone. Once we are out of this zone, then the bullish move will start. So whenever we cross this line again, expect Doji to climb to even at 0.35 and above. So be patient and wait for it. ETN is performing below expectation. ETN is performing below expectation. Okay, nevertheless, I have a BTN, but as an investment. Okay. Now let me show you what I mean by double correction. I mentioned on Bitcoin. This is impulse, and this is ABC. You can now see this is an example of what I show you. Either this or this bigger one, then you can see something like that happening again. But this is not an exact example, but I just show you what double correction is. This is phase correction, corrective pattern, and this is a second phase. So this is zigzag and this is flat. So it can be double zigzag, it can be zigzag and flat, it can be zigzag and triangle. So now what do we expect on the Ethereum? Sorry, on ETN? Only but this. Even if it keeps following this very channel, if this doesn't happen now, it will happen now or happen now. Anytime for this line, once this line is broken, expect a sharp move. You know, this is a sharp move, but it returned back sharply. I don't know why, but someday we get this type of move. You see this type of move, this one, we get it anywhere from here. So if you have it and hold it tight, don't sell. If you sell, you regret. You must regret. I know that. ZUSD. I don't really go to them because they don't have much showing us. But these are the coins I believe will make the future. Okay, these are the coins I believe will make the future because it is an exchange coin. Don't joke with exchange coin. The way BNB performed has opened eyes of many people who don't believe in exchange coin. So whenever you see the exchange coin, buy it and keep. Reason is this: if the owners of the promoters of the exchange begin to do well, their coin will appreciate. Even if they don't do well, hardly will their coin go out of existence because as long as the exchange continues, their coin must be there. So this is exchange coin. I have this coin, and I'm not going to sell it. So this is another triangle, A, B, C, D, E. So we are looking for a breakout again on this one. Next, CRO. CRO is doing better than CHZ. Okay. Once again, see our reversal zone, not a magic zone, but that is power of knowledge. Since the pair left the reversal zone, it's going up. So what do we expect now? This is another triangle, A, B, C, D, E. So once we get out of this triangle again, we are going higher. This triangle again, once we get out of it, we are going higher again. So watch out when we get out of this level. As a matter of fact, I doubt if this pair will drop below this level again, at least for this time around, before the big move happens. So watch for this. You can see a reversal zone. You can see a reversal zone. They always respect our reversal zones. Okay. The next is next on my list, VET. VT USD. This one is also doing fine. So it's going up, and it's going to go up. There's nothing much to say on this, except this. We may get a little drop, and it continues to go up. That's all I can say on this. In everything I'm saying, selling your coin this time around, you may regret it. I mean, I always analyze established coin that have tested that have stood the test of time, not the tokens that were created by those you don't know. Some are genuine, some are criminals. Once they gather people's money, they vanish from the thin air. I remember one of them I entered into through a friend. They call it past moon or whatever. Since then, the coin is going down. Even the developers have appeared. I don't deal with those coins because I deal with those that have stood the test of time. Ada have been there. So, and Ada, or is it Ada? Governor, having broken this channel, there was another channel. It broke it again. Yet, a little channel again. It broke it again. So what does that tell you? That the sellers are getting exhausted. That is those who are selling their coin. Because for the coin to go down, somebody is selling. Those who are selling, either they are not selling or they have sold the finish. And after that, what will happen? The buyers will reappear. So I have this other coin, and I will buy more. When I make some withdrawal from my forex account, I will deposit some to this coin. I like this coin because they have some things they are planning that will boost the coin. The other may be the next BNB that will happen. So let's keep watching. If you don't have this coin, buy it. Even if it is 50 pieces, buy it and keep. Shiba, the almighty Shiba. Shiba, I don't need to talk about Shiba because I took my time for the last 2 weeks and posting it both in the channel and in my videos. And I said, expect Shiba, these 3 lines is where we expect Shiba to turn. That the least expected, the deepest is this one, the middle is this one, the shallow is this one. I did this when Shiba was here. Okay, it kept between this and this, and now, as long as this level is not broken, it can still come back. But I have ruled out this. Let me remove it. I ruled this out as where it can come back. It can still come to this level, either this or this. But once it broke this level, forget it, it's going up. And Shiba is the last coin I'm going to analyze. Then I'll give you some minutes to ask a question. Is anybody online? Let me check. Am I only one? Okay, only two people. If you have a question, you can ask. Or else I will go to indices. Any question? Unmute yourself and speak if you have a question. If not, let me go to indices. Okay, thank you for joining me. I want to cover some stock and indices before I conclude this analysis. Okay. US100. Sorry. US100 is at our adversary level, and I've seen signs of a reversal happening here. So remember, we bought from this level. I said here is the buy zone. For the conservatives, here is their buy zone. So whether you buy here or buy here, you made profit. Now we're expecting a reversal, something like ABC, before the buying continues. US30, I think something, the same thing. At the reversal zone again. Okay, we bought here, some bought here, some bought here. Now we are expecting 3 waves move. The buying haven't finished. We know that. Nifty, slow and steady movement. Okay, I don't like this type of movement. The reason is it will be going slowly, but sometimes it may drop very sharply. So it can erase the profit you made in 2 weeks under 1 hour or 2 hours. So even if you trade this, always shift your stop loss to break even in case. Nikkei, this is my idea on Nikkei. We get ABC, and we have gotten A, almost gotten B. So watch out for 3 waves move. Then buying continues. Okay. Dow Jones, almost at our target, some pips to our target. After that, expect a little move to the opposite direction, something like this. Then buying continues. So that's for Nikkei. UK100. UK100, this is what we expect on UK100. 2 things we expect. One, we can't come back again. It will just come to our adversary level, maybe go deeper it before giving us another shape like this. Buying continue, or it will drop first, come to this level, give us ABC, continue buying. DAX, that is going up. I told you once here is broken, expect this. Now it's happening. Now we have ABC. So we have double ABC. I don't know. But all I know is that as long as this level remains, the buying continues towards the new high. Tesla is going up, broken our adversary level. So I remove it. It doesn't reverse here, and it seems not trying to reverse. Okay. So on this note, I change my account. I'm changing my account. I now want to make it. I'm changing this. Let me leave this one, or let me. So it's clear this is an impulse. Let me label it as an impulse. It is. Let me see daily chart. This may not happen. No. This might be the anyway. Time will tell. Uh, anyway, let me remove this. It may not happen. Then if it's going to happen, I will now do something like that. So for now, let's focus on what we see now. Let me even remove this. So now, this is all we have. So let's assume this is all we have. So now, what does it tell us? We are getting 5 waves. So let's be practical. Let me remove this, or let me hide it from other this thing. Okay, so let me assume this is wave 1 of a bigger wave. Then this is wave 2. Then wave 3 and 4 will be somewhere. To keep the record straight, this to me is a bigger wave 1, wave 2, 3 might be somewhere up, 4, 5 will be up there. So let me forget about looking for correction again, because it's obvious we are not getting another correction. So, and this will be a cycle move, or even super cycle. Okay, let me give it white color. So now I'm expecting a higher move, though I didn't measure where it will end, but expect a higher move. Okay, so that's it. I don't see it giving us a big deeper move. I expected will happen before. It may not happen again. So let's continue. What again do we have? Copper. Copper reversed at our reversal zone. Let me go to 4 hours. Okay, now copper, it reversed at our reversal zone on daily. Here again is our reversal zone on 4 hours. So, and it is showing signs of reversal. So let's see it on 1 hour. So 1 hour, you can see once we are out of this place, we are going up to this level. Okay. For the sake of clarity, a break of this, we confirm the bullish continuation. This confirms the bullish continuation. So if you buy from here, here will be your stop loss. And I think it's not about the risk to buy from here, stop loss here, or you wait a break of this level, you buy from here, stop loss will be here. Okay. Nickel, sorry. Nickel, let me show you 4 hours. Nickel reversed as our reversal zone. Okay. Let me remove this, make the chart neat. Reverse at our reversal zone. Now, we get another drop, or do we had all the drop we will occur. I don't know. Maybe for one hour may help us. This is already 3 waves in 1 hour. Are we getting it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you may get a bit deeper one. Beware. You may get a deeper one. Reason is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a typical air, how air develops. And if that is the case, this is air. B may give us a deeper one, B, then C will still drop. Save this chart for your reference. US Composite Index. I don't trade this. So let me leave it. SP500. SP500. What are we here? Let me check for hours. And the person we need to go higher before reversing. We need to go higher before the reversal. It's about to be the top. Let me change my count. But I don't have time again. Please pardon me. I will do this. Because why? Why do I remove it? Let me remove this one also. When I have time again, I will show you levels of this. So, but this, or let me go to one, then I do it very quickly. Let me assume. I don't have time, but let me assume that this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and 5. And let me tell you something. This wave 4 is shallow. And whenever we have a shallow wave 4, wave 5 will travel very far. Whenever we have a shallow wave 4, wave 5 will travel very far. So expect this. Expect this very SP500 to go very far again before we get a deep move back. So I would have gone to weekly and see what we have, but I don't have time again to spend it here. Let me try to do that very quickly. Okay, this is a weekly chart. And see how it is going. Oh my God. Anyway, expect a higher and higher move for this pair, please. This is 1, 2 again. So expect a higher and higher move on this pair. Let me do this one quickly. 1, 2. So this is the list you can expect on this pair. This is the list to expect soonest. This move to this level is the list. Okay, let me say the list I expect this time. Let me not let not be like I'm forcing you to accept my opinion. This is the list I expect very soon. So my opinion, we are going to this level between 4,600, 4,700, 750, and so on. That's where we are going on this pair before we get a big drop. Okay. Thank you for watching, and have time again. Next time, I'll try to do midweek reviews if time permits me. Bye.